I'm in my neighborhood, so don't freak out. I'm going to turn it off when I hit the road, but was going to go out today, take some pictures, some videos with the signature, but as you can tell, it's pouring down rain, or at least it was a minute ago, and more showers are on the way, so don't think it's a good day to take the Motorola out and take some pictures, but we'll see what I can do. I'm actually recording on it, no external microphone, just on device storage, and we shall see what we get. Let's go. Tell me when you need it later on. I'm in the neighborhood, so chill. No worries. No danger here, just in the neighborhood. But as I head back from my couple of errands I had to run, very impressed with this device. It appears that Motorola, from my perspective, has updated and or increased, tweaked, whatever you want to call it, the performance of these sensors on this device. Everything looks a little sharper, video looks a little clearer, everything looks fantastic. It has received 4 or 5 updates since the device has been launched on a monthly basis, so Motorola has kept their word when it comes to these updates, and I think it's a fantastic device, to be honest with you. I'm excited, happy, thrilled with using it. Just a great device, and the cameras are literally some of the best in the world. So it's nice to have a camera. It's nice to have a phone that has top-notch cameras. I mean, it blows away the S26 Ultra cameras. Just using it the past day or so, I can tell with each and every picture that I take, it's way better than the S26 Ultra. So definitely fun to use. Now it's time to check the mailbox. All right, so what do you think? It's a pretty good shooter, right? Look, cloudy day, it was raining all day, so not the best lighting outside, but I can already tell just from the few photos and videos that I've taken, it's probably better than I take that back. It is better than anything that I have in my lineup. Being so used to the S26 Ultra, with that, you got to get just the right lighting. You got to get just the right exposure. You got to tweak some stuff in the settings to get the right shot. You got to select the screen to autofocus on whatever the object is. With the signature, you just point and shoot. I mean, quite honestly, it reminds me of using a Pixel. Y'all all know how much I love Pixel photos. But this quite honestly reminds me exactly of that. It's point and shoot. Pull it out of your pocket and start shooting. And you get fantastic photos and videos. But it's absolutely amazing. I love using this thing. And look, this is just a small snippet of what's to come. I just grabbed it right as I was running out of the house to run some errands today and thought, what the hell, let me go take some photos, throw it in a video and upload it. So we're going to do video comparisons between the Motorola, the Samsung, Motorola OnePlus. Hell, I might even pull the Pixel out of the closet because it's been sitting there ever since 200 charging cycles. So it does remind me of a Pixel, and it's been so long since I've had a phone that honestly reminds me of a Pixel. The photo quality, the clarity, the detail. You can zoom in, I think, 100x, 20x on 4K video. So, man, it's so nice to use, and the operating system's good. They've updated it, I think, 4 or 5 times now since it's been launched. And I think they even fine-tuned the camera application since I originally purchased the device when it came out a few months ago. So it has me very excited for what's to come for Motorola. I'm going to do a lot of content on the Motorola. I think it's probably, for the price, probably the best phone you can buy, honestly. So I know there's the OnePlus 15, and I've said that's the best Android phone, or phone period, and I still believe that. But for the dollar, for the price, signature, you cannot beat it. It's like $650 brand new. it's a no-brainer. Now, if you want to spend a little more, grab your OnePlus 15, but at $650, you cannot beat the Signature. It's a fantastic device. Absolutely love it. So if you like what you saw in the photos and videos, subscribe to the channel. I'm going to do more video comparisons between the Signature and the Samsung Signature OnePlus. Hell, like I said, I might even pull the Pixel out of the closet and do one of those video comparisons. So do appreciate the time, and I will see you on the next one. Peace out.